Okay, in this video we are going to lay out a simple plate with holes in it. So here we have the outside dimension of the plate that we need, and then we are going to drag that down, left click and hold and drag it down to the corner, and then that sets my 0 at that corner. And then we check our 1.09. So we go up here, 1.09, and that part is set. Let's get this one, 1.04. 1.04. That line's the same, so I'm actually going to move my 0 up here, which will just make it easier. Now you'll notice when you bring a line below 0 or to the left of 0, you'll have a negative behind that number. And that's set in place. And then we can go back to 1.09 plus 1.75, 2.84. So bring another 2.84. Now our center mark lines for our first two holes are there. And we'll go plus 2.5 for our next measurement, 5.34. Change that to 5.84. And then plus 1.09. 643. 6.43. And something right there. Let's do this. Bring our setter 0 at this corner now. And then that is going to, you'll see it change, there's the number changed. And we'll just set that at negative 1.09. Still doesn't look right. Okay, just had a little math problem there, that's all, but we got her sorted out. Now we've got our center points for each of our circles, and our circles are going to be 1.46. Tab 1.46. And we're just gonna zoom in, put that on center. Bring Control D to duplicate that. Set that on center. The more you zoom in, the tighter you can get on there. See how that one's still out? I'm zoomed in a long way. But if you're going for accuracy, then I'm going to just left click, hold, drag a box around. I'm going to join them, combine them, duplicate, and I can bring that down. I can see my alignment bars, so I know I'm lined up with them. I'll just keep that on center. Check my node is on my node's on the center line. Now I can left click, drag a box around that. I'm going to join that together, duplicate, and move that over. Okay, and that's it. And then I can use the freehand tool here and just measure some distances and double check. 1. 2.5. 1.75. 1.75. Okay, so that's that. Now, because our plasma machine isn't going to allow for kerf compensation, we are going to add an 1/8. I'm going to lock this so that so 8.19 plus 1/8 equals 0.3. So 8.3 and now that should be proportioned 5.83 plus 0.125 5955. So that didn't quite proportionate. Unlock that so I can. And then now I got to do the same thing actually with my circles. Circles, we have to make them an 1/8 smaller. 1.46 minus 0.1. Just 335. Okay. And then again and I'm going to duplicate in the center. Just I can do that. Duplicate the two. It's actually easier when they're not together too. I think that's pretty much centered. Whoops. Just delete them. I'm just going to duplicate them single because they center easier. Okay, one more and there you have a plate modified with the dimensions and laid out. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later. Bye bye.